Welcome to Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco. In this week's episode, we take a look at Station 4 of our assembly line. This is where we perform the final assembly of the Bronco. Here, we focus on the precision fitment of all of our sheet metal for flush and gap. We install the genuine Porsche leather and the entire vehicle is inspected. In next week's episode, we go for a ride in a Bronco as a part of our heat cycle testing of Station 5. This ensures that each of our vehicles are ready for a road trip the day that they are delivered. Thanks so much for joining Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco.